In front of me is POCO X4 GT, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Animated Live Wallpaper called Magic Fluids. You need to begin by accessing Play Store and tapping on the search bar right away. Then type in Magic Fluids and install this free app from Mad Scientist Developer. When it's ready, click on Open. Now tap on those three dots at the top right corner and choose Settings. Following that, you need to choose I accept in this pop-up and then adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you want to. When you're ready, click on the top right corner and then bottom one again. This time though, you need to just set as Live Wallpaper, tap on Set Wallpaper and pick Home Screen or Home Screen and Locked Screen by clicking on one of those options. Now when I click Home button, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!